Good afternoon, guys. Yes, we have a speed test with 4 stars, a 4 star Sudoku in today's newspaper of Friday, the first Friday of the month, August the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left, Killer Sudoku and 4 star Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now but in the evening. Let me continue with these 2 puzzles. This will be number 9013, and before I start I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Well, should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Usually the 4 stars has 24. Yeah, this one has 2 digits more. Oh wait, 1 minute and 20 seconds already passed without comments, without instruction. Okay, let's get started. 3, 2, 2. Okay, need a 8 here. 8. Need a 7 here. How about here? 5. Need a 4. Need a 1. Need 5, 4. Okay. Need a 7 here. 7. Oh, 7. Need a 7 here. 7, need a 7 there. Need a 8 here. Okay, 3, 7 should be 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. No 9 here. 9, 5, 6. Alright. 6. Need a 1 here. No 1. 1, need a 1 there. 1 here. Come on. 1, need a 3. Need a 3 here. 2. Come on. 2 here. 5, 7, 2. Okay, here again should be the 3 here. Should be the 1 here. Yeah. Come on. 9, 8. The 3 here. 1. Need a 4 here. No 4. 4. Well, here 2 and 8. 8 should be here. 8. No, 8 could be here. 8 should be there. Need 8 here. 7. Come on. 9. This should be 9. This should be the 8. This should be the 8. 1 and the 3. 1, 3, 4, and a 6. Need a 6. Come on, no 6 here. 6 should be here. 1 there. This should be the 4 then. 1, 3, 6. 4. Need a 4 there. 2 numbers left. 3 and a 5, I believe. Here. Need a 3 there. 8, 7, 2, 196, 196. Come on, need a 2. How about here? 8 there, 9. I need a 7 here also. Okay. Then this can be 9. This should be the 9. Need a 4 and the 2. 2 and a 4. Mm-hmm. 2 and the 5. 2, 2. Need a 2 here, no. Here can be 2. This should be the 2. This should be the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Means 1 digit left should be the 9. 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. 2, 5, 6. 2, 6 there. 5 and a 6. 8. Come on, 9. Need a 9 there. Need a 9. 1. 1. Need 1 here. No 6. 6, 6. Come on. Need a 1 here. 3. No 3 there. 3. 7. 1. No 1 here. 7, 9 and the 6. 7, 9 and the 6. No 9 here. This should be the 9. Here should be the 6. 1 and a 6 should be here. 9. Here should be the 9. 4, 5, 6, 9. Need a 3 here. 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 and a 6. 1, 3, 6. 2. Come on. 1, 6. 2, 2. Need a 2 there, of course. Here need a 2. 1 and a 5. No 8 here, no 2 there. 1, 3 and a 6. 1, 3 and a 6. 3 can be here. How about here? 1 and a 6. Come on. 7. How about here? 3, 6, and need a 5 here. Could be a 5. 2, 2, 2, 1, 6, 3, 3, 8. Need a 6 here. 5 and a 6. No. 2, 5, 6. 2, 6. That means here should be the 2, 6. Here should be the 5. So here should be the 6. Then here should be the 5. Here should be the 2. 1 box left should be the 6. 9 and the 4 should be here. This should be the 6. This should be the 1. 9, 4. 9, 4 and the 1. 9, 4, 9. 1, 1. Here should be the 1. This should be the 3. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 3, 3, 3, 6, 6, 1, 6, 7, 6, 7, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. This should be the 4, 5, 6, 6, 5. 4, 4. This should be the 4. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Finish. 10 minutes minus 1.39 minutes. Well, a little bit harder than the previous Sudoku. Let me check if this is correct. Sometimes you made a mistake. I'm human too. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So far so good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct. Yes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.